If you want to crop a video in TikTok but can't find the option, the process is actually very simple once you know where to look. Start by launching your TikTok app. Now either record any video or upload one from your photo gallery. After selecting your video, open the TikTok video editor by tapping the edit icon in the top right corner. Once the video appears in your timeline, tap on the video itself and several editing options will appear. Look for and select the crop option, which will open the cropping screen. At the bottom, you will see different aspect ratios such as 9:16, 16:9, 1:9, and many more. For standard TikTok videos, choosing 9:16 works best since it fills the entire screen. You can then drag the cropping frame with your finger, moving it up, down, left or right to adjust exactly which part of the video you want to keep. Once everything fits the way you want, you are ready to continue editing and post a video. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.